Hi, today we are going to create a Family Search account. The URL is listed in the bar, and you come over here and you click Create Account. If you already have an account, you only sign in. You will need to type in a name, a month, your day, and your year, and whether you're male or female. This is for people who are members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints who want to be identified. If you are not, you do not need to click this button and you will not be contacted by anyone. Because you are under the age of 13, a parent has to give permission. So you need to decide which way your parent would like to get the message from Family Search. I'm going to go ahead and click Text. Once you have completed all this, they will send a message to your parent. You need to create a username, a password, and your recovery option is your mobile and the phone number for your mobile. You are in the United States. If you want to receive messages from Family Search, click here. If you do not, you do not need to. You do need to accept their terms of privacy and create your account. Once you are to this part, your parent will be sent a code, and then they will complete the registration from there. I cannot show you beyond there because I already have an account. I hope this helps you in creating an account for Family Search. This is a really fun activity to figure out who we are, where we came from, along with our mapping skills and our primary and secondary sources. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact Mrs. Anderson.